Let's take a look at some classic rides that have seen better days, but still have that spark worth saving. These are real, down-to-earth project cars, the kind of finds that make your hands itch for a wrench. 1. A 1967 Mercury Cougar. Now this one's a proper muscle-era survivor. A 67 Cougar, clean floors, solid body, and that mint red interior. This car's got the bones. It runs and drives, but the brake master cylinder gave out recently. The sellers even got the replacement part in hand. The only real battle is the back window area that needs some love. It's one of those projects where most of the hard stuff's already done. It just needs someone to finish the story. 2. A 1968 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle. At first glance, it looks like a solid old Chevelle, until you realize the motor's seized and the paperwork's gone. But hear me out. For a 1968 Malibu four-door, that body alone is worth a second look. The lines, the chrome, the presence, all classic GM DNA. This one's a pure parts car or a serious rebuild challenge. Either way, it's the kind of car that teaches you patience and persistence. 3. A 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. This Galaxie is a near runner with a few quirks. The sellers already replaced brakes, suspension parts, and the master cylinder. But after swapping the transmission pan, it lost drive. It still moves in reverse though, so the transmission pressure might just need a tweak. Underneath, the car is clean and rot-free with that 289 V8 waiting to roar again. If you've got the time and a few weekends, this could easily be a driveway comeback story. 4. A 1978 Chevrolet Nova. Now here's a Nova that's about as honest as they come. Straight six engine, starts and runs, and the seller made it clear, no trades, no games, no lowball offers. It's a working class project, one of those runs today, might need a carb clean tomorrow kind of deals. But it's complete, it drives, and it still carries that late 70s Chevy toughness that's hard to find cheap anymore. 5. A 1979 Ford Thunderbird. This T-Bird's an eye-catcher. Red on red, rare bucket seat interior, and a floor shifter setup that screams late 70s cool. It runs and drives fine, with fresh plugs, oil, and a brand new set of BFG radios on American racing wheels. Sure, there's rust creeping up on the driver's side, but underneath it's clean. You could daily drive it as is, or turn it into a resto mod cruiser. Either way, it's got character written all over it. 6. 1965 Ford Thunderbird. Here's a Thunderbird that's already ahead of most projects out there. The engine runs strong, the title's clean, and it's been kept in driving condition. The roof's been sanded and prepped for paint, brakes serviced, and fresh oil added. Sure, it needs a new passenger floorboard and some interior work, but this is the kind of project where you can actually drive while you restore. With that big V8 and unmistakable T-Bird stance, it's a solid entry into the classic Ford world without breaking the bank. Number 7. 1975 Ford Elite. Now we're talking forgotten cool. The 75 Ford Elite, that personal luxury coupe that used to rival the Thunderbird, this one's got 64,000 original miles and a brand new aluminum radiator. The seller says it runs, but the transmission needs work. It's a ran when parked kind of project, but for $2,000, it's a heavy metal bargain. The long hood, chrome trim, and coupe profile scream mid-70s confidence. This is one of those cars people forget existed until they see it rumbling down the street again. Number 8. 1963 Triumph Herald Convertible. Here's a rare British classic that's more charming than powerful. A 1963 Triumph Herald 1200 Convertible. The good news, it's mostly complete, has a solid chassis, and even comes with its British Heritage certificate. The bad news, the engine's frozen. But hey, at under $2,000, this one's more about restoration passion than profit. Small, quirky, and absolutely cool. The Herald is the kind of project that turns heads at any local cars and coffee meet once brought back to life. Number 9. 1960 Chevrolet Corvair 700. This Corvair is a piece of automotive rebellion. Rear engine, manual transmission, and still running after 6 decades. The sellers replace brakes, suspension parts, and even the oil pan gasket. This thing's ready to move under its own power. Sure, it's not perfect, but for $1,800, it's practically a time capsule from when Chevy dared to be different. Lightweight, funky, and full of potential for someone who wants a classic that's just left of center. And we're closing with a true American cruiser, the 1964 Galaxie 500 Convertible. Big block V8, 4-speed setup, and that unmistakable 60s Ford style. The catch? It's been sitting for 30 years and doesn't run, a yard find as the seller calls it. Still, it's complete, it rolls, and for a convertible of this era, $3,500 is almost too good to pass up. With the right hands and some patience, this could go from forgotten relic to showstopper. 10 project cars, 10 different stories. Some need a simple fix, others a full resurrection. But each one is proof that the classic car hobby isn't just about money. It's about passion, patience, and the thrill of bringing something old back to life.